What's going on, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is the exact levels I'm watching and how I'm going to trade them. So let's just get right into this. First off, I want to start by saying, due to recent events this weekend, it's untelling where we're going to open tomorrow. So I'm going to do my best to give you all some solid levels here, what I'll be trading. The main thing I'm watching this week in like SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, strong stocks is an uptrend entry. So if you don't understand how to trade trend, go watch my video on it. But let's get rolling here. First up, ticker SPY, my go-to, and you can trade ES futures based off these levels. So pretty straightforward here. We got all-time high here. We break above it, retest for a call entry to play the move up. We push back down to this demand, looking for a bounce for calls here. I took a losing trade last week. Well, actually, I took two. I tried the data strategy and I tried a reject that caused me a losing trade. Rejects are just not it right now. And if I do take a reject in this type of market, I just take what it gives me. If I pushes down, I get my first trim. It pushes back up. Stop the rest out at my entry. And that's what's helping me, manage my put trades. Yes, we had one good day where puts worked last week, and Team Bull called it. Savage actually called it inside a Team Bull chat, but ideally looking for a bounce or a retest. That's what I'm going for this week. I'm really interested to see how the market reacts. So as you can see here, we've had some nice movement. We had data push us down here, bounced off this level, the level I was watching. I wish that hit after market open. I'd like to trade some SPX options, but it did not. So I'm looking more for a bounce in this zone here than anything. Like I said, if we open up tomorrow, we could open up way up here. Look for the retest. Looks solid to me. If you, again, I know I say this, I hate pushing you off to other videos, but I have a video showing you how to trade my levels as well. One of my more recent ones, so be sure to check that out. Super simple stuff, easy to follow, 100% free, so take advantage of it. SPX, so, I watch this while I'm trading SPY or ES futures. The only level I've added this week is this 5576 area. We've really respected it more than we have this 5600. So I'm going to watch more for a bounce down here rather than this 5600 because, I don't know, this level has not done me well. Like, back when we was at this 5500, we made a lot of money trading this one level. It really respected it. But for some reason, this 5600 is just not it. It's been respecting this 5576 level more. So that is current support for me. The only clear one, the only one I feel comfortable trading. Oh, before I get ahead of myself, yeah, we're getting close to the 5700. Yes, I will be watching up there, see how it reacts. Am I convinced it's going to reject? No. I'm going to wait on confirmation. I'm not going to rush this trade. I'm going to see a clear sign of a reversal, reversal candles, lowering volume on SPY. Less aggressive buying on SPY, I should put it. Looking for a loss of momentum in that area. And a tight stop loss would be, a 5-minute open, close above that 5700. Just to, got a little PTSD from trying any puts in this current market. It's been strong. QQQ, I have two levels. This 500 has been solid. Really respected it. A nice resistance at this point. If we get above it, I'm going to look for the pullback retest for a possible bounce for calls. Okay? I really like this level. If something happens, we're still below it. It's still current resistance. The only bounce level I have, or the only bounce level I will try, is this current demand we have here. Back down around this 491 to 490 area. You can trade NQ futures based off these levels. Okay, so I have a possible swing trade, and this is based off the daily time frame. Let's take a look here. I'm going to let the daily time frame confirm this, but I'm looking to enter this uptrend. You can see right here where we broke out, we pulled back, we made a higher low here, and that's what I'm looking for right here. I want to see a higher low confirm where we can get in and catch a move up like this here, okay? That's the ideal behind this trade. Very simple. Again, be sure you wait on confirmation. Yes, we could treat it as a day trade. We'll see how it plays out, but ideally I'm looking to enter some further out expiration calls in the area. COST, Costco. This is just one strong stock. Let's look at the weekly real quick. Me and Jaden, we talk about this all the time. We talked about buying way back in here. Kind of crazy for not. It just continued to go up. I don't know, just solid company, solid solid stock. As you can see, again, Costco is super strong. So what are we looking for? We're trying to enter this off a higher low. We have one higher low here. I'm looking for the next one to form in this area here. And that's where I want to get my call entry to catch the move back up to this new all-time high. Again, wait on confirmation. That's all I have for this week. Yes, we're going to be watching Tesla, NVIDIA. I'll have some day trading levels for you each morning on my Instagram Live. For those new to my channel, I go live every single morning on Instagram around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Free education, free day trading watch list. So make sure you're there. And that's all I have for this week. I hope you all make a lot of money. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.